Hey y'all, on this edition of Kickin' It Van Voast Style, we're going to put in a screen door latch, something this RV did not have when I purchased it. Stay with us. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel and you're new, please do so. Ring that bell, that way you know about the next video we've got coming up. Give us a like. Leave us a comment on what you think of this video or about our channel. I read every comment and respond to every comment that we get, good or bad. For whatever reason, YouTube loves likes and they love comments. We would appreciate it if you give us a like and a comment. That's our cheap shameless plug for this one. Do me a favor, stay with us through the video. At the end, we've got some news about our channel coming up that you don't want to miss. My name's Jeff Van Voast and we are Kickin' It Van Voast Style. Today I'm going to hook a screen door opener to our screen door. This will keep it latched when it's closed, and it'll just a push button and it'll open it up. I purchased this screen door opener and lock from Amazon, and we'll leave the description down in the bottom. It's Kickin. Kickin is the name brand of it. This is not a replacement. This usually the replacements don't come with any hardware. This does come with hardware, which I needed. It comes with the door stop, and it comes with the opener itself, as you're seeing right now. And this was the best thing that I could find that would eliminate our problem, because we were having to use a bungee cord to keep our screen door closed. And in doing so, it really wasn't closing all the way. We still had bugs that were coming in, especially in the summertime, because it wasn't closing all the way. So this should add to that. And if you need to replace or add to a screen door for your RV, for the closing and opening of it, this is a good video for you to watch. As we go through this, you can see that there was nothing on the screen door that would keep it latched. So we've already done our markings. I pre-marked those with a Sharpie using the template that was the screen door and the door stop, and we marked those. We used a 7/34 drill bit to get that started, and then we'll put our hardware on. Now when we get our hardware on, I leave everything pretty loose. That way we can get everything into spec, and then I tighten those screws down after we've done that, and it makes it a heck of a lot easier. You know, this is a pretty simple project. Basically, it was drilling 5 holes and putting the hardware in, or putting the screws in, and making sure that our hardware was flush up against the door. And then that was pretty much it. Tighten everything down. Very simple. Took me probably about maybe 15 minutes to do this. Wow, what a difference. We were using a bungee cord to actually keep this closed, and it's just a pain in the butt. Plus this had to stay open, and because the bungee cord was coming out, so you didn't have complete closure, so you weren't keeping any of the flies or anything out. But this is a very, very easy product. It's by Kickin. I'll leave the description down at the bottom, and very easy installation. It does not come with any directions. Some of the other ones I'm sure do. Now, one thing about ours is it was not a replacement. I think they had originally, National actually had a magnet that held this closed. I didn't want to go that route. We actually have a magnet that keeps our door shut to where we can open, and both doors will come open because of that magnet. With this, I wanted something that we could utilize and shut. This works for us. I love it. So this comes with all the hardware, and we had to pre-drill our holes. But as you saw, it's very easy to do. I used a 7/34 bit to pre-drill my holes. As you saw, we marked those with a Sharpie and then drilled them. I left everything not tight but loose as we were drilling. That way I can make sure we had it all lined up, and then take those and sink them all the way in. And it's good and tight. I like it. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. Leave us a like, because for whatever reason, YouTube likes likes. and they like to see comments on videos. So please leave us a like, leave us a comment. Number one, I love reading your comments. We answer every comment and we appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, life's a journey, not a destination. God bless. Y'all, we also have a Facebook group, and that should be scrolling at the bottom of the page right now. That's dealing with RV and camping. We invite you to join us there. So what's our exciting news coming up about our channel? Well, we've got some more DIY projects coming up. One, we're replacing our water fitting, putting a 90-degree elbow on our water leading into the RV. We're also changing out our pressure washer, and I'm putting a T so I can actually use two hoses off of our water coming in from our camp. So you don't want to miss those. Also, stay with us. If you haven't already seen, we did a review on our Solo Stove Bonfire from Solo Stove, and that's an exciting video. You'll want to watch that, especially if you're looking in the market for a new fire pit, and see, is it a thumbs up or is it a thumbs down from Kickin It Van Voast Style? You don't want to miss that, and I'll leave the link also to that at the bottom in our description. Be sure and check out the description. There's a lot of good links there, along with whatever products that we use in this video. You'll be able to follow that link. We've also partnered up with RV Trip Wizard. I'm leaving that link. We have a video coming up about that. We also did another partnership with RV Trip Journals, and here's one of them. This is the Texas Trip Journal. And guys, we're going to do a video about this, but I got to tell you, I'm really anxious to get into this and plan out our trips here in Texas. And it gives you like a list of ghost towns to go to, which I'm really excited about that. We will be doing a video on this also. So those things are coming up. Plus, we are going to Jellystone Park here in Burleson, Texas. Now, this is supposedly one of their bigger parks, and we'll be doing a video coming up on that. A lot to share. Summertime is here. Don't miss it. Stay with us. Please subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Remember, life is a journey, not a destination.